All right, so I'm going to be showing you this walk up you can do in G flat here. All right, say you're coming out of the song, going down from the 1 all the way down. All right, normally you'll 2-5 it, but we're going to do our walk up to the 6, to the 5, just basic chords. 4, 3. All right, we're going to walk it. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to give you this walk up, give you several different options you can do on it. All right, so what we're doing is we're in G flat. We have our scale. All right, and I'm going to be using numbers to call out the progressions. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, so what we're doing, once we get to the 2, all right, and we normally would do our 2, 5, all right, we're gonna walk it up. All right, so those chords. First, I'm playing a flat minor 7 chord, A flat and the E flat on my left hand, or if I could play the octaves. All right, I like to come off the B flat to hit the B. All right, A flat minor 7. All right, so I have right hand, I have G flat, B, G flat. All right, that's chord. All right, I'm playing I call it my 2-5-1 chord, and the reason why I call it 2-5-1 in my right hand, if you notice, I have the 2nd, which is A flat, the 5th, which is D flat, and then the root, which is G flat. It's in all fourths, intervals of a fourth, but it's my 2nd, my 5th, and my 1st scale degree, so I call it my 2-5-1 chord. And I'm playing that over a B flat and F in my left hand. Or I can be playing B flat octaves. All right, next chord, we're gonna go to a B major 7 chord, C flat major 7, but we're gonna call it B. Left hand, I have a B, G flat. Right hand, I'm playing a major 7, which is B flat. And I'm playing E flat. And you can put the G flat up top. And when I do that, I'm coming off the D flat to hit the E flat. Let you hear it. Get that sound. All right, you don't have to put the G flat in if you don't want. All right, so that takes us from the 2, 3, 4. Then we got to walk the 5, 6, and 7. All right, very simple. All right, 5, I'm gonna play my D flat major chord. Left hand, I'm playing D flat, or I can play octaves, of course. Right hand, I'm playing an A flat, D flat, and F. Next chord, I'm just playing a E flat minor 7 chord. Left hand, I have E flat and E flat, or I could be playing E flat. Left hand is optional, whether you want to beef it up or whether you want to play, kind of soften it up. All right, so I have a E flat on my left hand. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, and G flat. All right, then I'm gonna go to the F in my left hand. In my right hand, I'm gonna play that same D flat major chord, but I'm gonna add the A flat up top. So it's gonna give me a D flat over F. First inversion D flat major chord. Left hand, I have F and F octaves. Right hand, I'm playing A flat, D flat, F, A flat. All right, and this is gonna take me to my 1 chord, just playing a regular G flat major chord. Left hand, I'm playing G flat and G flat. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, and G flat. So overall, we have real slow. And you want to play it in such a way to where your melody note is being heard at the top of the chord. So right now my melody is B, D flat, E flat is my melody. All right, now F's going to be my melody. Now G flat, A flat, and then back to my G flat. So my melody is saying, all right, beef it up. right, so if you want to beef it up, you can. Same way, just playing the same chords in your right hand, just playing the octaves all the way. All right. Another way I did it. Sorry about that. All right, you're gonna walk off to A flat, B flat. All right. I'm still gonna do the same notes on my left hand. So I'm on an A flat. Right hand, I'm playing a E flat, G flat, A flat, and B. So that gives me an A flat minor 7 chord. Walking into it. Now I'm playing a B flat in my left hand with a G flat major in my right hand, second inversion, D flat, G flat, B flat. Oh, sorry. Next chord, I'm playing a kind of a, I guess we'll call it a B9 with a 13 on it, B13, I guess, with a 6 because I don't have a 7. All right, so anyway, we got B, G flat, and B in the left hand. Right hand, I'm playing D flat, E flat, A flat. Then I'm gonna go back to my same chords. So D flat, E flat minor 7, to that same D flat over F, back to the 1. I threw that in there too. Instead of playing the D flat major, you can play that chord that we played earlier. Left hand I got F and F. Right hand I'm playing the D flat, E flat, and A flat. All right. Hope they help you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.